In a previous video, I talked about this order of electronic components, which took about 3 months to get here. There's nothing much special in here. Even some of the resistors had to come from overseas. But the main thing that I ordered that was very important is this MOSFET relay. I think everything, when I ordered everything, was apparently meant to be in stock, but yeah, it took a while. But the main purpose of those relays is for this, which is the prototype board for a cable tester. So that's the problem, is I've only ordered 10 of these switches, and I'm hoping they don't take 3 months to get here the next time. I already searched on DigiKey, and they've got 990 in stock, so probably should have gone there first. But the thing is, I like to get the free shipping when I make a big order, so it becomes expensive if you have to order from multiple different people. So this is for this, and the circuit is here. Just let me get the correct so I can draw on it. So this is just a prototype with a few of the switches on here, so that I can switch them and find out what they do. So in particular, so this resistor I think is correct. That's the current limit resistor for this, which is what is the LED inside the device, which turns on the MOSFET. I think I've got that right. So, and it's just, there's a switch trigger to buffer it, and another LED which indicates when I've enabled with the jumper each channel. I'm not sure where I put this diode here, because this is sort of a fragment of the cable tester where I can swap the polarity and then measure the voltage. So I need to measure the voltage because I need to know if there's an existing voltage on any of the line combinations, and then if that's the case, something has to be turned off, and then the other end starts putting voltages in. I can't make an assumption though when I first turned it on. I think that was the plan, which polarity the voltage will be, or even if it's AC. I mean, it's been so long since I designed this circuit that I can't remember, and I'm not very good at documentation. I don't remember why that's there. But when I start testing it, I'll find out. But yeah, I've got the wrong part number. So I've got the Panasonic. Let me just find where this is the part. So the AQY280H, which is apparently 5,000 volts insulation protection, over voltage. I mean isolation, and it's got a pretty low on resistance and low leakage, very low leakage. I mean, they're not that expensive, although I'll need about 32 of them. They're about $2 something each. So where's the board? That's the board so far. And today, hopefully, I will be able to. And that's the package of switches. I don't know why they should be in. They put resistors in anti-static bags for no reason whatsoever. But the things that are actually MOSFETs are in an anti-static, an ordinary. It looks like an ordinary bubble wrap. It may not be, but it doesn't look like Mylar or anything. So I'm a little bit confused by that. And let me go back to this That's the layout. But the actual device is going to have quite a lot more components on it, a lot more switches. Because I'm thinking that a cable with up to 8 wires is a possible useful thing to have. So there'll be one of these devices on each one of the actual devices. If everything works out, one of these devices on each end connected to the phone, to a mobile phone via Wi-Fi. So they'll be able to communicate and then figure out what the orientation of the cables is, and it'll also give you a rough guide to the resistance, so you can see if any of the connections or any of the wires may be slightly damaged. That's the plan. This is just the first video. Hopefully this makes some kind of sense. Anyway, thanks for watching.